Hi, we are dealing with a product called heart monitoring system. In this system, in order to track the heartbeat and monitor the pulse, we have used a pulse sensor. Whatever the data obtained from the pulse sensor is given to NodeMCU to process the data. Here we are, pulse sensor is connected to the analog pin of the NodeMCU, which is A0, and OLED is connected to the NodeMCU to the digital pins, which helps to show the live BPM of the pulse sensor, which is obtained. Now we will see the hardware module we have developed. By turning on the module, we see the boot animation, and the module gives the prompt to the user to wear the band, and whenever the pulse sensor detects a heartbeat, it shows the live BPM on the OLED display. Whatever the pulse detected from the pulse sensor is given to the NodeMCU. NodeMCU is further processed the pulse data to beats per minute, and whatever the data obtained from the pulse sensor is given to the server. Here we used Apache server to host the complete files, and we have used the MySQL database here's account to manage the account and sensor data obtained. The NodeMCU pushes the data to the server. This post.php file fetches the data from the NodeMCU and checks the data whether it belongs to the particular user. Here we see the API key, which is predefined dumped into the NodeMCU. Now for security purpose, we have used this. Whenever the API key pushed API key and fetched API key is equal, then only whatever the data obtained from the NodeMCU is pushed to the MySQL. API key is matched, then only whatever the data is obtained from the NodeMCU is pushed to the database. Here we can insert it into the tables. Here we see the sensor tables, and here sensor data, here usernames and values obtained, and with respect to the time. To the web interface, whenever the new user registers with us, he should sign up with the user ID and email and password. Here I am registering with the temp with a corresponding email and with the password. Whenever I click the register, the new record will be added to the database. Here we can see the temp added in the database. I am signing with this. Whatever the data obtained from the NodeMCU of the particular user with respect to specific API, if in case API is not matched with the database present, complete whatever the push data is removed. If in case API key sent from the NodeMCU is matched with the data server API, then the data is fetched into the MySQL servers. You can see the sensor data records present in the updated in the records updated in this MySQL server with respect to the along username. Whenever the data person logged into the his dashboard, he can see the complete data stats of the heartbeat and beats per minute, and our average BPM of the current user. And we can directly take the printout using this. We can directly get the complete data and complete data of the user with respect to BPM, temperature and time, and what is sync percentage, and we can directly take the printout from here, and we can send this report directly to the doctor. That helps to understand the more.